Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a Prosper You stylist. Welcome to Style with Knowledge. This is my beautiful model, Tanya. I wanted to show you what we call the 4-rope braid. So we started with 4 ponytails, and we prepped Tanya's hair with just a little mousse and a paddle brush, blowing it dry, then a little flat iron work. So you can see we have these 4 ponytails right here. We're gonna go through and we're just gonna pull some of this hair out to soften this up. And this is gonna give her not only a little bit more height, but it's also gonna deconstruct her look just a little bit. Just going through really light and just pulling these out. All right, let's take our first ponytail and let's ensure that you comb cleanly. Now we're just gonna take this section. Now watch the way I break this in two. Now, with this particular look, we're gonna twist to the left, and then we're just gonna take the left over right, just like that. Twist to the left, left over right. So on and so forth till I get all the way down to the ends. Now what we're gonna do now is just deconstruct it. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm just going to pull that section out and just a little bit more. We're gonna take this now and we're just gonna wrap it all the way around our ponytail, all right? Now, as I wrap it around, all I'm gonna do is just gonna grip it, and I'm not opening the pins, and just stick them in so we get just a nice rope. All right, that's our look. I'm gonna take just a little bit of spray, just really lightly on there. And with this section, we're gonna do the same thing. All right, so let's separate this right in two. Make sure both sides are equal. Twist to the left, both sides, and then left goes over right. So on and so forth, right the way down. So it's not a big twist, it's a little twist. Now we're gonna deconstruct. Now last time I started at the end, this time I'm gonna start at the beginnings. This is kind of a taste thing. You develop your taste, you talk to the client, find out how big or how small they want it. The more you deconstruct it, obviously the bigger it becomes. Here's our section. Once again, we're just gonna wrap it around that ponytail and just take those ends and we're just gonna tuck them in. You're just gonna pin the hair into the hair at the base. Okay, and there we have 2 nice, beautiful shapes so far. And now I'm just gonna work at salon speed. I'm gonna have Tanya move her head forward, and I'm just gonna work at salon speed. Okay, now we're done with the heavy lifting. What we're gonna do now is just go in and we're just gonna super personalize this look. So use your mirror. Your mirror is your best friend, all right? Make sure that you're always looking in the mirror. I've got a mirror right here, so I'm just looking, deconstruct that just a little bit more through here. Now, we're gonna finish this with just a little bit of light spray. There we go. And if you need to, you can just smooth everything out with a nice tight little smoothing brush. Well, there you have it. I love this look. It's commercial, it's fast. So we started with a little mousse. We used our paddle brush, flat iron, put 4 ponytails in, just twisted the ponytails, deconstructed them, and then wrapped them around the ponytails, used small grips, not large grips. Takes minutes to do, looks really good. Hey, Style with Knowledge, thanks for watching.